Video 5, Entering Data. In this video we're going to learn the most common math symbols used in Excel, learn what an operator is, introduce formulas and the equation symbol, and work through some examples. So let's open Excel in a blank worksheet. And before we enter anything into Excel, let's have a quick look at what the most common math symbols are. We have the addition sign, the subtraction sign, the multiplication sign, and the division sign. We also have the brackets, an open bracket and a closed bracket. Now these math symbols are called operators, so let's look at each one. The addition sign, also the plus sign, is normally written like this. So if we were going to go 1 plus 1, this is how we'd write it. The subtraction sign, or the minus sign, 1 minus 1, would be written like this. The multiplication, normally written as 2 times 5, would be written like this. But in Excel, we use the asterisk symbol instead of the times symbol. So 5 multiplied by 6 would look like this. The asterisk is normally found on top of the number 8 on your keyboard. The division would normally be written like this. Well, in Excel we use the backslash and it looks like this. So 8 divided by 4 would look like this. The backslash is to the left of the shift key under the question mark. Finally, the brackets. These are used to tell Excel what we want to do first. So if I had 1 plus 2, then divided by 3, and we wanted Excel to add the 1 and 2 together first, and then divide by 3, we would write it like this. Now that we know 5 of the most common operations, let's see if we can get Excel to do some math for us. Click on any empty cell. I'm in the F10. Type 1 plus 1 and press enter. Notice how we've moved to the next cell, but Excel has not done any math. Why is this? Well, as we learned in lesson 4, Excel has different types of data, and now Excel thinks of 1 plus 1 as text, because we included an operator, the plus sign. We need to tell Excel this is a formula, and we want it to do some maths. To do this, we have to introduce one of the most powerful symbols in Excel, the equation symbol, or equals sign. Let's click on the cell with 1 plus 1 in it, and this time type equals 1 plus 1 and press enter. And now notice Excel has done the math for us to show us the answer is 2. And now we've done addition, let's do subtraction. In this cell let's type equals 1 minus 1 and press enter. Now the answer is 0. Use the equation symbol equals, then 2, then the operator, the multiplication sign, then 5 and press enter. The answer is 10. And division, let's do the equal sign, 8 divided by 2 and press enter. The answer is 4. And Excel can do multiple math functions at the same time. For example, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Excel can even mix up math functions, such as the example above, 1 plus 2 divided by 3. But this time we want to make sure Excel adds 1 and 2 first. Remember what the brackets are for? In this case we type the formula symbol, equals, then open the operator, the left-hand bracket, then 1, then the operator plus, then 2, then close with the right-hand bracket. Then the backslash for divide, and 3. Press enter. Now Excel knows we want to add 1 plus 2 first, and then divide by 3. If we hit enter, it gives us the answer 1. So congratulations, you've managed to get Excel to do some maths for you. And that is the end of this lesson. To summarize what we've learned: the most common operators, the plus, the minus, the multiply, and divide. We've learned one of the most powerful symbols in Excel, the equals sign. We got Excel to do some math for us by building formulas, and we learned how to set the order of operations with a formula using the brackets. So time for a quick break and then on to lesson 6, cell references.